How to create a Zoom meeting link. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Zoom meeting link as well as schedule a meeting and also share meeting link for others to join. So what you're going to do is just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download this application of Zoom and just click on it. So you will be able to see something like this. It will say you can either get started with your account by joining a meeting or sign up or sign in. In order to create a meeting link, you're going to click on sign up or sign in. So here you're going to type down your birth year. So I'm just going to type down, and after that just click on continue, and over here you can either continue with Apple or continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or any of these. So I'm just going to just continue with Google. So once you have created your account, you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. Now if you wish to create a Zoom meeting, you have to click on new meeting over here, and then it says that video on and use personal meeting ID. Now if you really want your meeting to have a video on just like when you started, so you're just going to click on start meeting. Now if you wish to invite other participants, you gotta head over and click on participants, and here you gotta click on invite. So once you click on invite, you can either send them an email, send them a message, invite contacts, or even copy invite link and send them. So if you now wish to schedule a meeting, what you got to do is go back and here just click on schedule meeting, and over here you got to select the start time. You can even give it a name. Just select the start time and then you got to set duration. Now if you have Zoom Premium, then you can have duration more than 50 minutes, but if you're using free plan, so you got to just have the maximum duration of 50 minutes, and after that the meeting will get ended and you can rejoin with the same link. Then we have other stuff like time zone, repeat if you wish the meeting to be repeated every day or every week, and then iCalendar is the integrated calendar within it. Now we have other stuff like enable continuous meeting client, and here is you can see that your personal meeting ID, which you can share with others. And it will also have a passcode if you want some specific people to enter the meeting and not others. So you can give them the passcode. And now if you want the host video on, or the participants video on, and after that you can just click on save. Now it says that you haven't added any attendees, so make sure you add any attendees and just click on save. Now once you do so, now you can see that this is a new event over here. You could just click on add, and if you wish to upgrade Zoom, you can upgrade that. Now you can see this is a scheduled meeting, and it is scheduled for 23 hours, that is 11 p.m. And if you wish to start it right now, you can just click on start and the meeting will begin immediately. So that was basically how you can create a Zoom meeting link, schedule a meeting, and also share it with others. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.